my name is Alair, and I will kick off this presentation about Navi. Navi is an e-commerce platform, much like Lazada or Shopee that you know, that aims to revolutionize kindness and aims to spread it all around. We know that COVID-19 has affected us a lot, especially sellers and small-time entrepreneurs trying to make a living. To that extent, allow me to kick off this presentation and welcome you, and let's begin. Allow me to introduce you to our amazing team of founders. All of us stated here are the founders of Navi Co. First off is Vaishnavi, our founder, our CEO, and our inspiration for our namesake Navi. Vaishnavi is the founder as well as the vice president of the financial department. Then we have myself, Anil. I am the co-CEO as well as the founder and vice president of the marketing department. And then we have our other three co-founders, which are Eunice Sumang, Wilina Lamban, and Priska Chermi. Eunice Sumang is the president of Human Resources, while Wilina Lamban is our vice president of IT services. And finally, Priska Chermi is our vice president of product services. What is a business without its executive summary? Now let me give you an idea of what Navi is all about. Let's start about this. Navi is essentially an e-commerce platform and is a national company. It's the heart, it's the brains, all from Malaysia. Now it offers a platform for a small-time business people, the disabled community, as well as people from the reform-ready centers to sell their crafts and whatever that they've made in order to support themselves and to make the world generally a better place. Our mission is to support mankind, especially small-time business owners, disabled communities, and reform-ready centers to foster their products and their business. Our vision is to spread the platform to make it widespread as possible and to spread this kindness as far away as we can until it reaches the larger Southeast Asian market or the ASEAN level at the very best, to the point where people will recognize the benefits and they will jump on to support the app, thus making this company pretty much an international company. Our slogan is "We rise by lifting others." Thank you very much. Now I will pass the floor to my colleague.
Hi, I'm Priska. Now we'll talk about the key partners in the company. For our company, they will have several key partners we create relationship with to make the company runs. Some of the key partners are consist of local artists, local organizations, and small-time businesses who wish to expand their business and sell their homemade products through e-commerce platform. Therefore, this will be aligned with the company mission, which are offering helps for the small-time business owners, disabled communities, and also reform centers that has been economically impacted due to the MCO or Movement Control Order in Malaysia. The company also have another key partner, which are the banks such as Maybank and PayPal, which help the company operating online payment systems and also helps to serve an electronic alternative to traditional paper methods. Since Navi is a national e-commerce company which mostly activities are involve online marketing, therefore online marketing is an important web-based channel to spread about the company brand, products, and also services to the customers. Example of online marketing would be social media, display of advertisement, and also search engine optimization. Other activities include conducting user management, including both buyers and also sellers. Example of buyer management including optimize their search results, duplicate listing, and also product description. While as for seller, the management guide them through onboarding, incubation, fulfilled by marketplace, undertaking, and also return. By doing this, both of this management help the company runs effectively by identifying and remove errors in business operation. From here, the company will also manage the e-commerce payment system, which are the activity of acceptance of electronic payment or online transaction from customers. Next is conducting the customer service, which helps in increase the customer loyalty, increase sales, increase the business's profit, and also generate positive mouth-to-mouth about the business. By doing this is by understanding what the customer needs, treat them respectfully, handling complaints, and also exceeding customer expectation. The last activity would be managing and innovating infrastructure. This is basically involved in developing world-class platform, connecting different departments and also services provided. Thus, this will be able to market the new customer more effectively, provide more productive and engaging employees experience, and also lastly, provide excellent service to the partners and also stakeholders.
I'm Wilina and I'm the Vice President of IT Service. So I'll be explaining about the key resources and unique value proposition. First, I will start with the definition of key resources, which is the building block describing the most important assets needed to make the business model work. Key resources can be categorized into 4 parts, which are physical, intellectual, human, and financial. For our business, Navi, there are 3 key resources. The first one is Navi platform. This is the online platform that connected the buyer to the seller. Next is artist community. Our main target clients are handmade enthusiasts, which mainly focus on small-time business owners, disabled communities, and reformatory centers that significantly impacted economically by the Movement Control Order (MCO) in Malaysia. Lastly is the interested buyers. Our target buyers are community, mainly younger generation within the age range of 18 to 45 years who interested in handmade products. Next, I will be explaining about the unique value proposition. So unique value proposition, we separated it into 2 parts, which are buyers and sellers. For buyers, there are 3 unique value proposition, which are ability to buy handicrafts, national shipping are available, and online payment. While for seller, they can sell the product online. They can also create their online shop on Navi. Also, they can choose their selling price. And lastly is easy and secure payouts.
Hi everyone, I am Eunice, the Vice President for Human Resources, and I'll be talking about the customer relationship and channels for Navi. With every business, building long-lasting customer relationships is a critical business skill that can decide whether a company is successful or not. Only by dealing with customers on a truly personal level can you drive further sales and increase customer lifespans to the business. Thus, in order to optimize customer relationship management, Navi emphasizes on the use of social medias, customer support, and customer reviews. In our effort to ensure the expansion of Navi's customer base, social media platforms will be actively used to attract customers by interacting with them. Social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram will take a large part in spreading news about promotions, new updates, and marketing advertisements. Besides that, excellent customer support is a very necessary factor in making this platform a safe e-commerce environment for everyone. With live chats and chatbot support enabled, resolving issues or concerns of our customers can be instant and reduces delays that can affect the reputation of the brand. Happy customers not only means loyalty to the brand, but also more referrals. In this way, we will be able to retain the existing customers while gaining new ones through them. Last but not least, getting feedbacks from the customers and users is crucial in sustaining the platform. It helps the company in improving and implementing appropriate upgrades. Thus, reviews and ratings from both sellers and buyers are very encouraged to help in the development of this e-commerce platform. Navi is fully accessible online. Therefore, customers could reach out to Navi either by visiting the website or installing the application from the App Store for iOS mobiles and on the Play Store for Androids. Now I'll pass to Vice Navi, our CEO, for the next sections.
Hello everyone, I'll now be talking about the customer segments of Navi. Navi's business model can be identified as a two-sided marketplace. That is, its customer segments involve both sellers and buyers. Our application offers a platform to the artists and small manufacturers that produce handicrafts. We are also focusing on the handicapped community, as we are aware that the people in the blind organizations, for instance, do make handmade basket out of rattan and will only be able to sell it if there are any visitors. Hence, the sellers here are basically artists that will be able to use our platform to sell their handicraft products. As for the buyers segment, this application is directed towards people who purchase unique products, whether craft or vintage items. It is also for people that would like to big time support small businesses and the handicapped community to help them make some money. I'll now be talking about the cost structure of Navi. The cost structure of Navi is composed of platform development and maintenance, marketing expenses, and licensed software. Navi is an e-commerce business, therefore, for platform development and maintenance, we need organizations to help us manage all aspects of the application, such as designing, coding, and debugging. As for the marketing expenses, it includes the promotion strategy, such as the cost of Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook ads. Besides that, it also includes ads on YouTube or even on radio stations and newspaper articles. Navi's application is a licensed software, whereby users can't modify the application and must have a license from vendor before installing and using it. Users will have full support from the vendor if there is any error. The revenue model of Navi is very similar to other marketplaces such as Etsy. It makes money from different types of fees such as sales commission, listing fees, and advertising fees. For the sale commission, Navi charges sellers transaction fees, which are commissions of certain percentage of the total amount for every sale made on the platform. As the payment is processed by Navi, the company gets its percentage and sends the seller the rest of the money. Besides that, listing fees are also charged. Navi charges the sellers for each product they list on the platform, and the listing will be valid for a few months. If there are multiple quantities of the same item, the listing fee will be automatically renewed after each of the items are sold. That's a profitable stream considering that thousands of products will be listed on Navi. Lastly, seller can advertise their items or shops on the Navi's platform itself. The ads are charged on a cost per click (CPC) basis. That is all from us. Thank you for watching.